So what is zipBoard? So zipBoard is a collaborative review tool that facilitates an optimized reviewing experience. And so what that means is we give reviewers tools that they need to convey relevant feedback on their projects. We give project managers easy ways to organize that feedback and basically convert that into tasks for their team. And what makes zipBoard a bit unique and special is that we can work with a lot of different types of digital content. So we support revisions of URLs, images, PDFs, videos, and SCORM courses in the form of zip files. And not only that, but for different types of files, we also support like a different reviewing UI. And I'm going to go over 3 of those today. Well, the 3 biggest ones, or the 3 most dynamic ones, let's say. So yeah, zipBoard allows users to review digital content with both internal and external stakeholders. So this is really a platform for people that have an internal review team, but as well as potentially external SMEs or clients that want to look at the content that there is being produced and provide their feedback. So we give project managers the ability to add team members directly to the project, so internal, and the ability to enable external reviewers to access digital content without having to sign up to zipBoard. So that's the key. If your SMEs don't want to, sign up for a new program or anything, don't want to have to manage another account, they actually don't have to. You can provide them a custom share link, and with that, they're able to basically access the upload. And I'll go more in depth on that because we've also made some revisions to that in the demo. So just to kind of demonstrate the dynamism of zipBoard. So zipBoard is used across a wide range of companies in different industries, all the way from e-learning to web development to consulting and even construction development. So zipBoard has a quite robust capabilities as described before. And once we get into demo, I'm sure you'll see why. So lastly, just a couple comments on the upsides of, why zipBoard would be beneficial for your organization. So you can access it from anywhere. This is a cloud product. You can upload content or sync with your DMS if you prefer to not have your uploads directly in our system, or if you just for a security standpoint. You can mark up your uploads with a variety of tools. You can assign the issues to your team just with a click of a button. You can share with internal and external stakeholders, and you can customize your review cycles to improve your collaboration. So that way you can really stay on track of the cycle of the different versions that you have in your review.